Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the second problem from exercise 1.4 of Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started with the second question. Question number 2. Write the decimal expansion of those numbers from question number 1 above which have a terminating decimal expansion. So the question number 1 that was asked was solved by me in the first video. Do refer my previous video for further references. So let me tell you what the question was. The question given us some set of rational numbers for which we were supposed to find whether these numbers were terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals without using the long division method. But in this question, they are asking us to find the terminating decimal expansion. That is, which of these numbers have terminating decimal expansions from the question number 1. Let's go ahead with the solution. 13 by 3125 can be written as 0.00416. This is a terminating decimal expansion. 17 by 8 can be written as 2.125. This is also a terminating decimal expansion. 15 by 1600 can be written as 0.009375, which is also an terminating decimal expansion. The next one given was 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. That can be written as 23 by 200, which can be also represented as 0.115, which is an terminating decimal expansion. Moving on to the next one, that is 6 by 15, you get 0.4, which is also an terminating decimal expansion. Next one is 13 by 50, 35 by 50, which can be written as 7 by 10, which is represented as 0.7. So, we have got the first one, second one, fourth one, and sixth one, with 8th and 9th are having the terminating decimal expansions from the previous question. So we have finished solving the problem. In my other video, you'll find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.